How to change to English dub on Crunchyroll. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change to English dub on Crunchyroll. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Crunchyroll is an on-demand streaming service with a particular focus, that is anime. It offers a library of more than 1,000 anime video and TV titles and simulcasts a selection of shows as soon as the same day that they air in Japan. Now to change to English dub, go ahead and open the Crunchyroll application on your device and make sure you are signed in. You will be led to the home page of Crunchyroll, so go ahead and tap on the browse option you see on the bottom center of your screen. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the icon you see beside the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the dubbed option under language and then tap on Update Filters button on the bottom of your screen. Here, as you can see, the dub is now available on the anime you want to watch. You can also tap on the search bar and search for your favorite anime and watch it in the dubbed version. So this is how you can change to English dub on Crunchyroll. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.